morning, DMV area. This is Nish the Vice President here at DreamHome. Today I want to talk about storm damage and how you can be looking out for the proper contractor if you feel like you do have storm damage. What happens in the DMV area from time to time is we start to experience large wind events or hail events. And what they do is they cause damage to the exteriors of your home, mainly your roofing and parts of your siding. And when that happens, it creates a free-for-all basically. So when damage occurs, that allows an opportunity for a lot of contractors to make a lot of money. And when that kind of situation happens, what ends up happening is you have a lot of contractors who aren't necessarily professional roofers start to get into being roofers. People who are plumbers, electricians, worst of all, storm chasers. And these are guys that are just living in other states and they're just watching the weather report. And what they'll do is they'll see an event that happened in whichever metropolitan city. They'll come and move there for a little while, install a bunch of roofs, and then when they're done with the business, they leave town. The unfortunate part about it is when they leave town, so does your warranty. So make sure you're dealing with a licensed in-state contractor if somebody does approach you regarding storm damage. Second thing is make sure they actually have references for you. You don't want somebody who was a jack of all trades, who was just a carpenter that does any type of work, but because they see an opportunity that Mother Nature has created for them, all of a sudden tries out to do a trade that they've never been a professional at. So ask for references. Make sure you've checked out work that they've done physically before when it comes to specialty remodeling like roofing or siding. Last but not least, the best advice I can give you is make sure when you do have somebody come out to your home that they actually get on your roof to prove that you do have enough storm damage to file a claim with your insurance company. You'll have a lot of people approaching you, whether it's by phone or knocking on your door, and the first thing they'll talk to you about is filing a claim with your insurance company, getting your insurance company to get you a free roof. Language like that, especially somebody that's going to talk to you about waiving your deductible and practices like that. Those are the people that are just trying to come out there and either take advantage of you or the insurance company. So make sure the first thing when it comes to storm damage that you want to do is figure out if you actually have enough storm damage that warrants filing a claim with your insurance company. And the only way you're going to be able to do that is get a professional roofer out there to get on top of your roof, assess the damage, and provide physical evidence that you do have enough damage to file a claim. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Please stay tuned for any more news and updates when it comes to the home improvement industry. Hope you have a great day.